Ever wonder how your favorite streaming service knows exactly what to recommend next? Or why some AI systems seem to get your preferences better than others? It all comes down to a tricky problem. How do we teach machines to understand the messy, complex way humans actually make choices? Let's start with a simple example. Imagine you're picking a movie for a group hangout. Some people love action films, others prefer comedies. If you just take a vote, the action fans might win. But what if the comedy lovers are a vocal minority? Traditional AI systems often act like that loud majority, ignoring the nuances of smaller groups. It's like trying to measure the weather with just a thermometer. Useful, but it misses the whole picture. The key issue: most AI uses a single score to represent preferences, like a thumbs up or thumbs down. But human opinions aren't that simple. They're full of contradictions, biases, and shifts. Think of it like trying to describe a sunset with just one color. That's where this research steps in. Enter population proportional preference learning, a new framework that's changing the game. Instead of forcing everyone into a single metric, it aims to align AI with the true distribution of preferences across all users. It's like giving every voice in the room a fair share of the spotlight, not just the loudest ones. Here's how it works. The system starts by analyzing pairwise comparisons, essentially asking people to pick between two options at a time. From these choices, it infers the underlying preferences of the group. It's like solving a puzzle by looking at fragments. Then, it uses this data to build a policy that follows two key rules. 1. Monotonicity. If an option improves, it shouldn't lose chances of being chosen. 2. Pareto efficiency. If everyone prefers one option, the AI should pick it. But the real innovation. 2 new principles. Population proportional representation, PPR. The AI's decisions must reflect the actual proportions of different groups. If 60% of people prefer action movies, the system can't ignore that. Population-bounded robustness, PBR. It limits the risk of manipulation, ensuring no single group can unfairly influence the outcome. The researchers tested this approach on tasks like recommendation systems and large language models. The results? It's not only fairer but also scalable, handling complex data without losing accuracy. Imagine an AI that doesn't just follow the crowd, but understands the crowd. Whether it's picking a movie, optimizing search results, or guiding ethical decisions, this method ensures AI aligns with the true diversity of human preferences. Of course, no solution is perfect. The framework requires careful tuning and computational resources, and real-world data is always messy. But these are challenges, not roadblocks. Future work could make it faster and more accurate, especially as AI systems grow more complex. So why does this matter? It's a step toward AI that's not just smart, but equitable. A system that listens to every voice, not just the loudest ones. Next time you interact with an AI, remember, behind the scenes, it's not just about algorithms, it's about how we teach machines to value diversity. Think about it. When AI systems make decisions about hiring, healthcare, or policy, they're not just processing data. They're reflecting our values. This research shows that fairness isn't a compromise, it's a necessity. And as AI becomes more powerful, the stakes get higher. The future of AI isn't just about speed or accuracy. It's about building systems that respect the complexity of human preferences. And that starts with frameworks like population proportional preference learning, where every voice matters and no one gets lost in the noise. Thanks for watching. If you want to dive deeper into how AI learns preferences, hit subscribe. And drop a comment. What's one way you'd want AI to be fairer? Let's keep the conversation going. Stay curious.